Now we are going to do little challenging questions. Okay, and your question here is the sum of numerator and denominator for 7 by 9 is dash, and your options are 2, 63, 0 and 16. Okay. So, what are they trying to ask children here? They are asking the sum of the numerator and the denominator, which means we need to add this and this. So, how we will be adding? 7 plus 9. How much is the answer? Very good. It is 16. So, which among this is the right answer? Very good. Option D is my right answer. Okay. So, here they have not asked me that how will I make a whole number. They have only asked me what is the sum of the numerator and the denominator, which is you have to add these two numbers to get your answer. Clear? Shall we do the next sum? Okay. So, here is your next question. 2 by 9 and dash makes a whole number. Okay, and your options are 1 by 9, 5 by 9, 6 by 9 and 7 by 9. Okay, so 2 by 9 and something will make a whole number. So first we will just try to divide 9 parts. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Okay. So, now I have taken a circle and I have divided it into 9 parts, and 2 by 9 I will just shade it. Okay. So, we will just shade this part. Okay. Now, what I have to add with this 2 by 9 so that it becomes full a whole number, which means it will become 9 by 9 or 1. Okay. So, shall we count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, which means that if I add 2 by 9 along with 7 by 9, it will give me 9 by 9, which is equals to 1 or the whole number. So, my right option will be option D, which is 7 by 9. Is it clear? Shall we do the next sum? Okay. So, here is your next question. Okay. Now, Shweta has got 4 friends. Okay. Wants equal division of pizza. How much share will each get? Did you understand the question? I have a pizza and I have divided into 4 parts. Okay, and all the 4 friends want equal division of pizza. So each will be getting how much? How many portions? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1 by 4, right? So your right answer will be 1 by 4. 1 by 4th share. Got it? Shall we proceed further? Okay. So here is my next question. I have 4 red balls and 3 blue balls. Okay. What is the fraction of red balls? And my options are 3 by 7, 7 by 7, 1 by 7 and 4 by 7. Okay. I have 4 red balls and 3 blue balls. So totally how many balls I have? 4 plus 3, 7. Right. So what is the fraction of red balls? So red balls is how much? 4. So it should be how much? 4 by 7. Right. So where do we have 4 by 7? The last option. So the portion of red balls will be 4 by 7 and the portion of blue balls will be 3 by 7. And 7 by 7 will be the total number of balls. Clear, children? Shall we proceed further? The next question for you is, Rohit had 10 toffees. He ate 7 among them. What fraction portion is left out? Did you understand the question? Rohit is having 10 toffees in which he has already eaten 7 of them. You need to find the fraction of portion which is balance, left out. Okay. And my options are 1 by 10, 3 by 10, 7 by 10, 0. Okay. So Rohit is having 10 toffees in which he already ate 7. So what is the balance which he is having? So 10 minus 7 is how much? 3. He is only left out with 3 toffees. So the fractional portions of the left out should be very good, 3 by 10. So where is 3 by 10 here? It is option B. Okay, clear? Okay, fine. The next question is, out of 7 days, I went to school for 5 days. What is the fraction for my absentees? Okay, and my options are 5 by 7, 1 by 7, 2 by 7, 3 by 7. Okay, so did you understand the question? Out of 7 days, I went to school for 5 days. So 5 days I have been present in the school. What is the fraction for my absentees? Which means that how many days I did not go to school. So what is 7 minus 5? 2. So what is the, how we will write it in the fraction form? Very good. You will write it as 2 by 7. So where can you find 2 by 7? Yes, it is option C, 2 by 7. So 2 by 7 is my right answer. Clear, children? Yes? Shall we move further? Okay. So here is my question. The fraction of letter R in eraser is 1 by 6, 2 by 6, 3 by 6, 5 by 6. So you have to find the fraction of letter R. How many R's are there, children, here? 1 and 2. And totally what is the strength of the letter? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what will be the answer? It should be 2 by 6. Right. So where can you find 2 by 6? Good. It is option B. Clear? Okay. So one more question for you. Out of 55 kids, 35 are boys. Find the fraction for girls. Okay. So there are 55 kids and 35 are boys. Right. So 5 minus 5 is 0 and 5 minus 3 is 2, which means I have 20 girls in the class. So what will be the fraction? It will be 20 by 55. This will be the fractional portion of girls, and 35 by 55, this will be the fractional portion of the boys. So are you clear, children? Did you enjoy doing these type of questions?